Antalya, located on the southwestern coast of Turkey, is known as the Turquoise Coast due to its stunning blue waters and beautiful beaches. The city has a Mediterranean climate, characterized by hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters, making it a year-round tourist destination. Antalya is rich in history, with roots dating back to the Hellenistic period, and it was founded by the king of Pergamon, Attalus II, in 150 BC. The old town, Kaliasai, features narrow cobblestone streets, ancient Roman architecture, and charming Ottoman-era houses. The city is home to Hadrian's Gate, a well-preserved Roman triumphal arch built in honor of the Roman Emperor Hadrian, who visited in 130 AD. The Antalya Archaeological Museum is one of Turkey's largest and most important museums, showcasing artifacts from various historical periods, including the Paleolithic era. The city's port, once a major trade hub, is now a picturesque marina lined with restaurants and shops, attracting both locals and tourists. Antalya is surrounded by stunning mountain ranges, including the Taurus Mountains, which provide opportunities for hiking, skiing, and other outdoor activities. The region is famous for its waterfalls, with Dudun Waterfalls being one of the most popular, cascading into the Mediterranean Sea. Antalya hosts the annual Antalya Film Festival, one of the oldest and most prestigious film festivals in Turkey, attracting filmmakers and cinema enthusiasts from around the world. The city boasts beautiful beaches, such as Konyaaltı Beach and Lara Beach, which are popular for sunbathing and water sports. The Antalya region is known for its production of pomegranates, olives, and various citrus fruits, contributing significantly to the local economy. Antalya has a vibrant nightlife scene, with numerous bars, nightclubs, and beach parties that cater to both locals and tourists. The city is a gateway to several ancient ruins, including the cities of Perj, Aspendos, and Termessos, each offering a glimpse into Turkey's rich historical tapestry. The Aspendos Theater, built in the 2nd century AD, is one of the best preserved ancient theaters in the world and is still used for performances today. Antalya is home to the ancient city of Olympos, known for its natural beauty and historical significance, including its association with the myth of the Chimera. The region's cuisine features a blend of Mediterranean and Middle Eastern flavors, with dishes like kebabs, mezes, and fresh seafood being popular. Antalya's population swells significantly during the summer months as tourists flock to the area, making it one of Turkey's most visited cities. The city has a modern tram system that provides convenient transportation for residents and tourists alike, connecting various parts of the city. The Antalya International Airport is one of Turkey's busiest airports, serving millions of passengers each year and providing direct flights to numerous international destinations. The region's historical significance is recognized by UNESCO, with several sites designated as World Heritage Sites. Antalya is also known for its golf courses, attracting enthusiasts from around the globe, particularly in the Belek area. The city is a hub for various water sports, including paragliding, scuba diving, and jet skiing, offering thrilling experiences along its coastline. Antalya celebrates various festivals throughout the year, including the International Antalya Sand Sculpture Festival, showcasing incredible sand art created by artists from around the world. The local population is a mix of ethnicities, with a rich cultural tapestry that reflects the diverse history of the region. Antalya's historical significance is highlighted by its numerous castles and fortifications, including the Yivli Minar Mosque, a notable symbol of the city. The city has a strong agricultural sector, with local farmers producing a variety of fruits and vegetables, particularly in the surrounding countryside. The Dudan waterfalls are divided into two main sections, the upper and lower falls, with the lower falls dramatically plunging into the sea. The local currency is the Turkish lira, and bargaining is common in markets and bazaars, adding to the vibrant shopping experience. Antalya is known for its hospitality, with a wide range of accommodations available, from luxury resorts to budget-friendly hotels. The city has a diverse wildlife population, including various bird species that migrate through the region, making it a great spot for birdwatching. The Lishan Way, a famous long-distance hiking trail, passes through Antalya, offering breathtaking views of the coastline and ancient ruins. Antalya is also known for its vibrant art scene, with numerous galleries and cultural centers showcasing local artists and their work. The city has a well-developed infrastructure, with modern amenities and services that cater to both residents and visitors. Antalya's cultural heritage is celebrated through various art and music festivals held throughout the year, showcasing local talent. The local cuisine emphasizes fresh ingredients, with many restaurants offering farm-to-table dining experiences. Visitors can explore the nearby Kaputas Beach, known for its stunning turquoise waters and scenic cliffs, often regarded as one of Turkey's most beautiful beaches. The region's natural beauty is complemented by its rich biodiversity, with protected areas like the Copperlook Canyon National Park. Antalya plays a crucial role in Turkish agriculture, particularly in the production of flowers and ornamental plants. The city's location makes it a popular starting point for sailing trips along the Aegean and Mediterranean coasts. Antalya features several luxury resorts that offer all-inclusive packages, making it a preferred destination for families and honeymooners. The city hosts various sporting events, including marathons and triathlons, attracting athletes from around the world. The city is surrounded by several national parks, providing ample opportunities for outdoor activities like hiking, camping, and wildlife observation.